Have you ever felt like something was missing in your life, even when everything seemed to be going just right? That missing piece, often elusive and hard to define, is what many find in spirituality. Imagine a puzzle where every piece fits perfectly, but it's only complete when you find that one piece that makes the whole picture come alive. That's what spirituality can do for your life. It's not just about religious beliefs or practices. It's about connecting with something bigger than yourself, something that fills the empty spaces in your heart and gives you a sense of wholeness. In a world that's always rushing, spirituality offers a rare moment of stillness, a chance to breathe and find your center. It's like discovering a hidden well of peace and strength inside you that you never knew existed. This journey into spirituality isn't just about finding peace or purpose. It's about awakening to a life that's richer, deeper, and more connected. It teaches you to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, to find joy in the smallest things, and to understand that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. We'll explore how spirituality can be the key to a fulfilling life. Get ready to embark on a journey that could lead you to the most rewarding destination of all, a life lived with depth, purpose, and a profound sense of connection. Purpose and meaning. Deep within the soul, there often lies a yearning, a quest for understanding one's place in the grand tapestry of existence. Spirituality offers not just mere answers, but a profound sense of purpose that resonates to the core of your being. It's like discovering a hidden melody that has been playing in your heart all along, guiding your every step. With spirituality, even the most ordinary moments are filled with a shimmering significance as you recognize your role in an extraordinary cosmic story. This journey is more than belief. It's an emotional and spiritual awakening where every experience, each joy, each sorrow, and every tear becomes a significant brushstroke in the masterpiece of your life. It's about feeling the pulse of the universe in your veins and understanding that your existence is a significant chapter in the endless book of time. Connection with others and the universe. Imagine the awe-inspiring moment of realization that you are not merely an individual, but a vital thread woven into the vast fabric of all existence. Spirituality awakens this profound interconnectedness, like witnessing the universe's heartbeat pulsating with every entity around you. This insight nurtures a compassion that transcends empathy, creating bonds of deep understanding that bridge the gaps between souls. In this spiritual embrace, each living being becomes a kindred spirit, and the earth itself transforms into a sacred sanctuary. With each interaction, you engage in a reverent communion with the universe, feeling a sense of unity that transcends physical boundaries and societal divisions. This connection fills you with an indescribable love and a profound sense of belonging, casting a new light on the significance of every encounter and experience. Inner peace and mindfulness. Amidst the relentless whirlwind of life, spirituality stands as a beacon of tranquility, a sanctuary where the turbulent waters of existence meet the serene shores of the soul. Practices like meditation and mindfulness become voyages into the calm eye of life's perpetual storm. They teach you to anchor yourself in the present moment, shedding the heavy cloaks of past regrets and future anxieties. In this oasis of peace, serenity blossoms from within, offering a clarity that illuminates life's path with a gentle, unwavering light. This inner peace is not a mere escape from life's troubles, but a transformation of life's turmoil into a dance of quiet resilience and profound self-awareness. It's a journey of finding harmony within, which radiates outward, influencing every aspect of your existence with a tranquil strength. Coping and adversity. When the fierce storms of life rage, spirituality is the unwavering lighthouse guiding you through the treacherous waters of despair and uncertainty. It's a wellspring of hope in the parched desert of despair, a gentle whisper in the heart that reassures you that even in the darkest night, the dawn is imminent. This enduring faith is a tapestry woven from threads of strength, resilience, and an unshakable belief in something greater than oneself. In this crucible of adversity, spirituality offers not just shelter, but the anvil on which the steel of your spirit is forged, turning each trial into a triumph, each moment of pain into a pearl of wisdom. It's a transformative force, nurturing an inner strength that turns life's challenges into stepping stones towards personal growth and enlightenment. Moral and ethical guidance. In the intricacies of life's choices, spirituality shines as a guiding star, illuminating the path of righteousness amidst the shadows of moral ambiguity. It's a moral compass, etched with the wisdom of ages, pointing unwaveringly towards acts of kindness, integrity, and justice. Living by these sacred principles is a pilgrimage towards the best version of oneself, a journey marked not by the footsteps of conformity, but by the heartbeats of sincere conviction and moral courage. It's in this harmonious alignment with one's deepest values that life becomes not just a sequence of events, but a symphony of purposeful actions and meaningful connections. This moral grounding fosters deeper relationships, builds trust, and cultivates a life steeped in authenticity and ethical integrity. Personal growth and self-discovery. Spirituality calls you into an intimate journey into the very essence of your being. It's a sacred exploration, a deep dive into the uncharted territories of your soul, where hidden gems of insight and profound wisdom await discovery. Each step on this path is a revelation, unearthing layers of yourself previously veiled in mystery. This transformative journey is not just about introspection, but about blossoming into the fullness of your potential. It's a path that deepens your understanding of yourself and the world, weaving the tapestry of your character in richer, more vibrant hues. Through this journey, you confront your fears, embrace your strengths, and emerge with a sense of fulfillment that comes from being authentically and wholly yourself. Community and belonging. In the warm embrace of a spiritual community, you find a haven of like-minded souls, a gathering where hearts beat in harmonious unity. This is where you are not just seen, but deeply known and understood, a place of belonging that wraps around you like a warm, comforting blanket. Here in this communion of spirits, shared joys are amplified, and burdens are lightened by the empathic touch and understanding of fellow travelers on the spiritual path. It's in this sacred fellowship that we find reflections of ourselves, and in the mirror of each other's souls, we discover the boundless depths of love and connection. This sense of community provides not just comfort, but a profound sense of identity and belonging, reinforcing the idea that our spiritual journey is both a personal quest and a shared experience. Gratitude and appreciation. Through the lens of spirituality, life becomes a radiant tapestry woven with golden threads of gratitude, each strand shimmering with the beauty of the ordinary transformed into magnificence. This heartfelt appreciation is a gentle yet powerful force that transforms your worldview, casting a luminous glow on the simplest of moments. In this state of gratitude, the heart overflows with the joy that transcends circumstances, a profound, resonating contentment that infuses each breath, each heartbeat with a sense of wonder and an unwavering embrace of the present. It's a way of living that sees every day as a gift, every challenge as an opportunity, and every moment as a precious gem to be cherished. In this space of gratitude, life is no longer a series of events to be endured, but a wondrous journey to be savored in its entirety. When you start to feel a deeper fulfillment in your life through spirituality, you will come upon a profound breakthrough. So if you are curious as to what these signs of your breakthrough are, then be sure to check out the next video on the 5 signs you're experiencing a spiritual breakthrough in your life.